Everybody, it's Ryan. This is a quick video on how to capture and release, let's just say, a mouse, something small enough to get into one of these mouse houses. They are very effective, as visible here with our little guy, and pretty humane, because if you're an animal lover, little furry creatures, it's when you set it with the door open. And then when they crawl in, there's a little thing that he's sitting on right now, and then it releases this little spring lever, shuts it in. He's in there hanging out. It's not airtight, so it's not like anything's gonna happen to him. And then that little knob right there on the side just unlocks it, and that's where you can put some like tasty treats like peanut butter or something. And then you take it to somewhere like a little wooded area, and preferably a little bit of a distance away from where you captured him or her. Let them go when they're off to live their life and enjoy things. So hopefully this answers all questions you might have about these. Very, very cool. Couldn't tell you how many of these little guys over the years have been captured and released. We'll talk to you soon.